Very common issue for Amazon sellers selling branded products where they're getting the products directly from the brand or an authorized distributor, and yet somebody else makes a complaint on Amazon that they're selling counterfeit products. This case was a huge victory by Briana and Kerry, two members of our paralegal team, and they're both remarkable in their own right. And our seller in this particular case got the benefit of both of them working on their speedy reactivation of their account. So our client was purchasing goods directly from the brand, yet another seller claimed that the products were counterfeit. So how did we address this? First, we reached out to that other seller and requested a retraction of the complaint because our products are entirely genuine. Now, our client has every right to go after that complainant, go after that seller who made a baseless counterfeit complaint, and they should do so if the damages are extensive. Then, in the plan of action to Amazon, we showed Amazon that the products were entirely genuine, that they came directly from the manufacturer. We put it together with a concise, persuasive, well-written plan of action. And the first swing at the plate, seller is reactivated. Now, will this seller proceed with going to court? Probably not. Almost always, the damages are not extensive enough to warrant litigation. But if you're one of those sellers who are doing $10,000, $20,000 a day or more, and your account is down for a week, you have now suffered six-figure damages, and you might choose to go after whoever made that baseless complaint in a court of law to recover your damages. You want to learn more about how to write a plan of action? Go to our website, download the greatest book in the world on how to avoid Amazon suspensions and how to write great plans of action to get your accounts back.